to make a lovely ornament.
Well, I want some globes, some spheres.
How's that? Do you want it? Don't you want my ornament? I've made a lovely ornament. It's a garden member. Soil,
Beautiful.
blue clay. Lots of stuff will grow in that. Yeah, alright if you want to be a potter and make something. There you go, I'm going to be artistic now. I'm going to make a lovely ornament.
Well, I want some globes, some spheres.
How's that? Do you want it? Don't you want my ornament? I've made a lovely ornament. It's a garden member.
You muppet. Right, seriously, other than ornaments, what are you doing?
Laying some drainage channels because this bit here does not drain away when it gets wet. And if the new wrapping furniture's going here, it needs to have a drainage point. So I'm putting extra drainage in to match the drainage that's already here that I put in about 5-6 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they've been there longer than that.
Alright, maybe about 10 years.
Yeah, that would be more like it.
And this is rainwater, so it can drain into the rain drain, which is over there. And it's all plumbed in nicely. So this bit used to flood here all the time because all this area here is reclaimed floodland. So in the winter we used to get a big puddle of water just here. So this solved that problem. But now we get a puddle of water there because it's slightly dipped. So I've got to raise those up a bit, put some drainage in, job done. Simple as.
Simple as.
Yeah. Just
I
all the
watched
hard
you
work.
dig that up.
Yeah, all the hard work and sweat, yeah.
Yeah.
All the swearing, we won't put that on the film.
No, we won't put that on.
But yeah, it isn't an easy job, but it's got to be done.
Heavy.
Sort of like a-
They're thick, aren't they?
Oh, now there's your carpet tunnel. It's where it gets tricky.
Why?
Because if I take that one out, it's broken.
Yeah.
I'm about finding another one. Sure, I'll find one somewhere. It's got to come up though, because that next drainage port's going to go in.
Can you not just take this one up that's next to it, in front of it? For the drainage tunnel. Oh no, you've got all of it up, haven't you?
How can I just take that one up? I've got to bring it back when the drainage has gone in.
Ah.
The only other thing I could do is chop that down. But then, these two here are not going to match the rest.
No. You're the man with the plan.
Oh, do you want more to match?
Yes.
Okay. So all these got to come forward then. All these got to come up and then everything's got to come forward.
Why?
Because if I don't take that back one out, it's not going to match this one, is it?
No. What are you doing to my gazebo?
I decided I didn't like it in the end.
Oh.
It had a couple of cracks in it. So, we'll get a new one. Maybe get a wooden one that put permanently on the top. Fancy that?
No.
You want another metal one?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, we haven't had to do anything to that apart from wash the curtains and the sun bit, the top bit, so if you get a wooden one you're going to have to treat it every year.
Do like the fences, isn't it?
Oh well, bye bye gazebo. I better take all this out to the skip. Looks like it's all coming back together now. And you sound knackered.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Sweating. Not good manual labour. Don't like it.
No?
No. Don't like it at all. It's rubbish.
Yeah. Think of it as your exercise.
Where's your exercise then?
Carrying and fetching.
This is a bit straighter.
Yes, much flatter. And actually that's going to help when the sofa gets here. It'll sit flat, won't it, without rocking. Well done.
Until all the
Until it all
starts
starts
moving again.
Yeah.
Because that's what happens when you've got blue clay for soil.
I know. It's horrible.
Yeah, it used to be floodland. You're never going to get decent soil here.
No.
That's
So
the green
actually,
the grass has looked for years.
yeah, we don't do too bad growing stuff considering how bad
Yeah.
the
Yeah, thousands of years of floodplains.
horrible stuff.
I redirected the brook about 50 years ago and started building on this land. But it's soft, to say the least. Very soft. When your house is built on that, it kind of makes you a little bit nervous.
Yeah. But what, we've been here, 15 years?
Yeah, but there's 2 metre foundations.
Yeah.
They went crazy, they had to. It was part of the stipulations. But yeah, that's basically what your house is on. When it gets wet, it expands, and when it dries, it cracks.
Yeah. So we just need a potter's wheel now.
Actually, yeah, you could probably,
I bet you could.
I don't know, you might be able to fire it.
Oh yeah, we haven't got a kiln either, so
no
that's no
expert.
good.
I'm no expert on clay.
Oh well.
Probably not the right sort.
Yeah.
Right, onwards.
Okie dokie, I'll leave you to it then for a little while. Just shout if you need anything. Looks like you're getting there.
Doesn't feel like it.
No? You're a bit sore now.
Too old for this. Back's gone. I'm an old man.
Oh, you're not that old.
Feel it.
So that bit must have been where gravel was.
Yes, it was.
Yeah. So, nice flat patio for the new furniture, if it ever arrives. It was supposed to come within the last 2 days, but they don't know anything about it.
No, amazing.
So that's quite annoying. So we've got to wait until Monday to chase them up. Which seems very bizarre when they're selling garden furniture and not working at the weekend.
Wonders of eBay.
Yeah. Right, I'll leave you to it and I'll come back shortly.
Thanks.
Oh, I think you're doing a cracking job.
Yeah, whatever.
You could always pay somebody to do it.
No. Pay pay people to do jobs you can do yourself.
And they wouldn't do it to your standards, so you wouldn't be happy.
Drainage in. Slabs levelled. I'm a little tired.
I think it's a job well done.
It's befitting with the rest.
Yeah. So what will be the next job?
I suppose doing the big circle.
Yeah, we're going to turn that lawn into a circular one. Should be an easier job than what you've just done.
What? Digging grass and clay to try and make a circle. It ain't going to be easier.
Hello.
Hello.
Phase 3 of the garden.
Phase something. I don't know phase what.
We lost count. What are you doing?
Right. A circle from there.
You're making the lawn into a circle. Yep, from there.
From there.
Yeah.
Like that.
Hang on a minute, I'm going to get out the way. I'll stand in the middle. Ah. Keep going and we'll see what happens. You might have to make it smaller.
Ain't going to work, is it?
Why isn't it?
Well, look where it is. What are you achieving?
No, it needs to be a bit smaller then, doesn't it?
I'm not achieving anything by doing that at all.
How far would you go out into the gravel with that?
You wouldn't.
Oh, right. Well, maybe we move this down a couple of feet.
I don't think you're going to achieve anything because it's circular already.
It's not circular, I want a proper circle. Well, we're not having a lot of luck doing this circle. I can't have it where I want it, so we're having to go smaller. See what happens. Right,